Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day / evening so far. This video is actually the top 5 things to do in Galway when it is raining, because we found ourselves in the absolute tipping it down rain. So these are all things that you can do when you're waiting for the rain to pass, or just want to make the most of being in Galway anyway, because there's so much lovely countryside and things, but obviously that could be a little bit miserable when it is raining. So we actually did a split trip where we spent a few days in Dublin and then caught the train to Galway from Dublin, which by the way was super easy, like a really nice train through the Irish countryside. So I definitely recommend doing that if you want to see more than one place in Ireland. My previous video that I will enter up here is top 5 things to do in Dublin. So first of all, we were kind of walking around really hungry after catching the train. We didn't really know where to eat, but a pub was kind of calling my name. It was tipping it down the rain. We just wanted to get somewhere fast. But I'm so lucky because it was actually incredible. Like, the food was really good. It was really cozy inside, and it is a top thing to do. So it's the King's Arms in Galway. It looks so cute from the outside, especially when we went, which was around Christmas time. Number 1 is to have a pub lunch at the King's Arms. Number 2 is to go shopping around Quay Street. There are so many different shops. I've actually got a photo here in front of Brown Thomas. We didn't go into that one, but it just looked gorgeous from the outside. But there are so many different stores that we went to. You can get all your Irish bits and bobs, your Guinness magnets, everything like that. But just really cute little streets. Definitely wander around. It just feels so traditionally Irish. Very fun thing to do, so definitely add that to your list. Okay, number 3 is to visit Galway Cathedral. Now, we actually tried to visit Dublin Cathedral and you had to pay for it, so we weren't interested in doing that. Whereas Galway Cathedral was free to enter, and it was honestly beautiful. The actual building, when you go inside, just took my breath away. It was gorgeous. So I do actually recommend to go and visit the cathedral. It is lovely and definitely worth. It's only like 10 minutes walk really from the main street, so add that to your list if you can. Number 4 on my top things to do in Galway is to explore Galway City Museum. So I'm not really kind of like a museum gal. However, it was tipping it down with rain. We were trying to search for things to do when it is raining in Galway. So we went in, and again, it was free entry. You can make donations, but it was actually quite interactive and fun at first. We just thought it was like the ground floor, and then you go upstairs and there's like a little fun thing to get involved in. I just had like a really nice time just reading everything. There's actually like a lovely view over the river at the top. It's really interesting and so good that it's free. So definitely something to do in Galway when it is raining. Number 5, I've started with something to eat and I'm going to end on somewhere good to eat, and that is to have pancakes at Pascal Coffee House. And they do claim that they do the best pancakes in town, and I can kind of vouch. I mean, I didn't actually go anywhere else for pancakes, so I can't completely say. However, they were such good pancakes, and we had Harry's pancakes because my boyfriend is called Harry, and yeah, they were delicious. I will enter some pictures here. But we had a bit of brunch and then pancakes after, and they are so good, you cannot miss them. So yeah, that was my top 5 things to do in Galway on a rainy day. I just thought it would be quite useful. We were walking around in the rain, didn't really know what to do. Obviously, it's lovely when you can stroll around on a sunny day. There's also so much countryside and beautiful places to see, like in the vicinity of Galway, but on a rainy day, maybe that's not something that you might want to choose to do. I'm also going to add a little bonus in. We did go around Christmas time, and there was a beautiful Christmas market in Aya Square. I don't know how you pronounce it, Aya Square. However, when it's a bit of a rainy day, that is not necessarily the one. Just note, at Christmas time, they do a very cute Christmas market. That's just a little bonus there. We also just visited a hotel. We didn't actually stay in it, but it was beautiful. So I'm just going to add that in the description box below anyway, if you want to check it out, because it was, yeah, gorgeous. I think if we were to go again, then we would stay there. It was lovely. So yeah, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and like and comment if that is okay, please. Yeah, I'm posting every Wednesday and Friday now with loads of travel tips. I've been working on cruise ships, so I've been everywhere, and also doing my own travel as well. So hopefully I can help wherever you are planning to go. So please do also let me know down in the comments below on what other things you'd like to see from me. Any other questions you might have, please do let me know in the comment box below. I will link the hotel that we stayed in down below. It wasn't in the centre. We did have to walk maybe half an hour or like a 5-minute Uber. Maybe actually a little bit longer because in rush hour it took like 20 minutes. But it was a really nice place, very comfortable. So yeah, I'll link where we stayed. Right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!